Welcome to my channel. Today, we will be talking about how fast a Remitly transfer is. Remitly offers two main transfer speeds to fit different needs, express and economy. Express transfers are the fastest option. When you choose this, the funds are typically delivered to your recipient within minutes. This is ideal for urgent situations where the money is needed immediately. Economy transfers are the more cost-effective option. These transfers usually take 3 to 5 business days to be completed. This is a great choice for non-urgent transfers where a lower fee is more important than speed. The actual speed can also depend on other factors, such as the country you're sending money to, the delivery method you choose, like bank deposit, cash pickup, or mobile wallet, and the payment method you use. For example, using a debit or credit card for an express transfer is often quicker than a bank transfer. Remitly also offers a delivery guarantee, promising to refund your fees if the transfer is not delivered on time. They will show you the estimated delivery time and any associated fees before you finalize your transaction. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.